All right, now I'm going to throw a little curveball at you guys. The cord has to go on your back foot. Not many exercises we do that. This is one of them. So go ahead and grab the resistance band, put it on your back foot, and then step forward. You see how she did that? Now, you're going to take your arms, put them all the way up. Beautiful. Now, you want your wrist nice and straight, not moving around as usual. You want to come down to a 90-degree angle and then blow out and come up and squeeze those triceps right here. Make sure your elbows are kept in, and your hands, you don't want them coming in or out. Keep them as aligned with your arm as you can. I know on this exercise it's going to be tough, but do the best that you can. Go ahead, come down. Beautiful. Now, you want to put most of your pressure on the back foot so that cable, the resistance band, doesn't come up and snap and hit you right in the head. So you want to stay on there nice and strong. Slightly bent knee in the front, abs are tight. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Look at how her arms are up. She's coming to a 90-degree angle and then popping them up and squeezing and locking all the way out. And make sure your arms are back. See how her arms is as perpendicular to the floor as they can be? Don't have them forward or backward, okay? Try your best. I know it's going to be tough. This exercise is one of the tougher ones.